This is Signal Hounds, talking RF. And today we're on location searching for unknown signals in swept analysis mode using the SP145 and capturing the signals with our IQ recorder for post-analysis in the lab. Demonstrating the SP145's power, portability, and ease of use.
Hi, this is Tom from Signal Hound, and this is Talking RF. We have the SP145. We're going to do some basic RF surveying and RF monitoring. I'll go back to swept mode. I want to capture a couple more recordings at a couple of places that I thought were kind of interesting on the drive up. Capture that again. So that's about 569 center. And there's definitely something interesting there, so I will grab that. I'll do two recordings again. So this is last at 72. So I'll grab the 3720 first at 569. I just need a few seconds of that, and then I will do the same at the higher sample rate. There we go. Let's get a few seconds of this, and that pretty much concludes what I wanted to accomplish with the SP145 at this site. Yeah, so the SP145 is a great spectrum analyzer for its portability, doing some basic spectrum analysis work and basic monitoring work, and just kind of looking at the area that we're in and capturing some things that might be of interest.
Now that we've collected the data, let's go back to the lab and analyze it. Like, follow, and subscribe for part 2 of the swept analysis mode to search, capture, and record unknown signals for post-analysis.